Let's make SC cinnamon syrup. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make SC cinnamon syrup. And the SC stands for Smuggler's Cove. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this recipe. As I already mentioned, the SC in the SC cinnamon syrup stands for Smuggler's Cove. I have their book, and I want to start making recipes from it. And whenever I make recipes from a book, and the book includes recipes for the ingredients, I try to use their ingredients as specified. I would like the drinks to turn out as close to what they do as possible. Note that I do already have a recipe for cinnamon syrup on the channel. There's a couple of differences between mine and theirs. Mine is a 1-to-1 simple syrup, meaning that there's 1 part water and 1 part sugar. Theirs is a 2-to-1, 2 parts sugar to 1 part water. So it's going to be a lot sweeter. Also note that they use less cinnamon. I use 1 2-inch cinnamon stick for each 1/4 cup of sugar and water, but they use 3 cinnamon sticks for 2 cups of water. There's going to be some tricky math involved, but if you really want to check out the recipe, I will leave it down below. Also note that they specify cassia cinnamon. I do have this cinnamon here. I ordered it through Amazon and specified I wanted cassia, and this came up. It doesn't say cassia anywhere on the package, but also note that Smuggler's Cove said they prefer cassia, but you can use other cinnamons if you so desire. So if you can't get cassia, use something else. Whenever I'm making a syrup, I often think low and slow. Low heat, long amount of time. Smuggler's Cove has a different attitude. They like high heat, so that's what we're going to do when we make this one, when we get to the stovetop. However, before we do, we're going to add some ingredients to the saucepan. I'm going to put in 1 cup of water. 1 cup is something in milliliters, and I'll put that in the metrics down below. And I need 1.5 cassia cinnamon sticks, and they want them broken in half. See if I can do this. I'll put that back in the package. And I'll see you at the stovetop. Now that we're at the stovetop, I'm going to turn this on a high heat. I'm going to bring the water to a boil. I'll be right with you. Now that my water is boiling, I'm going to add my 2 cups of sugar, because this is 2-to-1, and I'm going to stir with a whisk. They do specify a whisk, I don't know why. I'm going to stir with a whisk until the sugar dissolves. Now that the sugar is dissolved, I'm going to remove from the heat, cover, and let sit for 12 hours. We'll see you tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, now that it's the next morning, early in the morning, we are going to strain our syrup out. And Smuggler's Cove does say to use a cheesecloth to help get all the little particles out. I'm not going to do that today because I can't find our cheesecloth. So I'm just going to pour it in. Let's see if I can do this without dumping. Oh, just a little over that's a little bit more than over oh my gosh, I just spilled. Anyway, then you need a label. I'm going to label this other bottle because I have to do that anyway. Let that leak all over the top. SC cinnamon, 2-to-1, and today is the 21 September 24. And there you have it, SC cinnamon syrup. Enjoy. Question of the day: is there a better setup than this? I just have a thing balanced on a bottle into a funnel into a bottle. Is there a real thing that I can buy? If so, let me know what it is in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have social media links down in the description down below. Feel free to follow me on any of those. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through those social media links. We'll make sure you get one. And finally, like for the spill, subscribe for the spill, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of the spills I do. Until next time, cheers.